Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kid, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing green color. Kid, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing green color, and first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll, and the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabet of E, and the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for God. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. And now we're coloring the alphabet of K. K for kite. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Kids, now we're coloring and using green color. The alphabet of N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're using red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin, P for parrot. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're using the color of red. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, the next one is T. T for teacher. And now we draw and coloring the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yoke. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Today we're coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.